Hi people, just thought I'd share another video that I took last year. But it's a short video. I didn't think I wanted to put it on YouTube. A short video of the tomato tree, but this time coming up from bottom up. All right, have fun. All right, this is the tomato tree. Can you see all the tomatoes? Okay. Got we got about 800, we got about 100 over on the tree. So you see, and the tree comes from down here. Okay, so this is it. Very simple, very easy, and you get the tomato. So guys, as you can see, even though we are in Malaysia, you can see that the fruits that we get from the tomato tree is actually, it's really great. It's really juicy and it's really red. So I hope, more people enjoy. Don't forget that this video was taken last year, so it's not this year's video. It's not from the new tree that I'm planting, which I will update anytime soon. Okay, guys, bye.